If you guys want to see all our new classic cars, please hit the subscribe button. We get new cars in every day. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. I got a blazing Corvette C3 up for sale today. Before we get started, if you like classic cars and want to see our new inventory as we get it, please hit the subscribe button right now. Also hit the like button if you like this video. Let's go ahead and get started. 1979 Chevy Corvette C3. This one's got a 383 stroker in it. Automatic transmission. Runs and drives very well. I was told it has 475 horsepower. We have not dynoed it. It does have line lock. This thing is very, very quick. If you guys know what line lock is, give me a comment below. Let's see how many guys know what that is. This one I call the Batmobile. It's got a beautiful look to it. I love the wheels. Black on black. It's got the red interior. We're going to go over the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly, so you know exactly what you're getting before you get it. We ship all over the US and worldwide. We can get it to any port if you want to take it out of the country. We definitely can ship it to Canada if you need be. We are located in Pendle, PA, right outside of Philadelphia in Bucks County. If you want to fly in, you can fly into Trenton, New Jersey, or Philadelphia International. Just might take us a little bit to get to you because 95 is shut down. We'll go over everything right now. We'll start with this fender. Fender's in good condition. No obvious flaws that we can see. Tires are in good shape. Got a little bit of dry rot right here. Hood's got a little imperfection here. Right here. A little bit here. I got black gloves on to match the black car, if you were wondering why I'm wearing gloves. This fender's in good shape. Little scratch right there. Imperfections in the hood here. Take a look at this door here. Got some spider cracking here in the black bumper. This was locally owned. It was one of my client's vehicle, and he did do the work to it. He threw the engine in it. If you think it came from the factory with a 383, you are mistaken. It'd be cool if Chevy did do something like that, but they never did. For the most part, it's got a lot of little body flaws, nothing major, but it's a good looker. The way it looks with the black wheels, you could put the beauty rings on it, but it came without them, and I think it looks fantastic. It's got T-tops. Interior is like, it's got the black door inserts, but look at these seats. Seats are like gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. We'll go over the interior in a few seconds. Just gonna climb under the car real fast. Bird cage is in good shape. No obvious rust or rot on the undercarriage. Little spot here on this side. About, it's not terrible. The rest is good. Very small little spot here. I'm pushing hard as I can. All right, guys, we are headed on the test drive. Just got to be a little bit careful because this thing is fast. We'll start off in reverse just to see if it goes in gear nice and smooth. It goes in gear the way it should. Neutral and drive. There we go. Turn on. Man, this thing is fast. It does have this telescopic wheel, so you can pull it down. This thing boogies. Holy. Transmission shift's good. It's got a lot of power though. It's not for the faint of heart, that's for sure. Our water temperature is getting up where it should be, so that's working. We'll pull out here. Hopefully we won't lose the back end. Not going to get too fast on it. This thing boogies. It's up for sale now. If you're interested, give us a call or go on our website, bobevansclassics.com. This thing is pretty sweet. It drives good. It's a little loose because, I mean, it's a 383. This thing is fast. I don't think it has 500 horsepower, but it's fast. Sure. Engine, transmission, and shift good. Everything checks out. Guys, thank you for checking out the video. My name's Rob, bobevansclassics.com. 215-801-9493. Give us a call today, and God bless the USA.